See repair techs on YouTube telling you what not to buy, and many homeowners complaining about the washer they just bought. You don't want to guess. You want to see what actually breaks. We logged 33,190 service calls last year. In this video, you'll learn the 3 best front loads for 2026 based on features and real service data. At the end, I'll tell you the manufacturer with the lowest service rate we've ever tracked. One of the biggest complaints about front load washers is mold and mildew. You read it in every comment. GE is the only company that directly engineered for that problem. They use an antimicrobial Microban in the gasket hoses and detergent dispensers, the places where mold develops. And then there's the ultra-fresh system. When the cycle ends, an internal fan dries the gasket and drum. It evaporates moisture instead of letting it sit. With most brands, we tell people to leave the door open. With this one, you don't have to. Again, you should make sure the gasket is dry. The other advantage is the detergent dispenser. It holds about 32 loads. You're not reloading every time. It dispenses the right amount at the right time. More precise than pods you're using. This machine's also 5 cubic feet. That's larger than the common 4.5 cubic foot washers, almost double what your parents had 25 years ago. You also get a full set of cycles and options plus Wi-Fi. My stance on Wi-Fi is simple. You don't have to use it. The most useful feature is the push notification when the cycle ends. If your laundry's in the basement, you don't have to keep walking down to check it. For reliability, GE is about average for appliances at about 8.5% service in the first year. The last washer in this video is almost 6% better. But before you fast forward, you have to understand this one crucial detail. GE is the largest national service network, and we service what we sell in the Boston area. Most dealers have no service department. So when your washer needs service, it's more likely to find someone who can fix it quickly with GE than any other brand. Profile builds on the same platform as the GE we just covered. You still get Microban, you still get ultra-fresh drying. Difference in size, this is 5.5 cubic feet. If you want a large washer, this is where you look, because you can usually buy the Profile for around $1,000. The biggest 6 cubic foot washers offer them close to $2,000. So you're getting close to that capacity for about half the price. The other upgrade is the detergent system. You still get automatic dispensing. Profile adds scan capability. You scan the detergent bottle, the washer adjusts dosing based on that formula. It's more precise than this standard system. With GE, you're buying mold prevention and service support. With Profile, you get that plus size and better dispensing. But with the added features, you have a machine that needs a bit more service at 10.5% in the first year. And the next brand is by far the most reliable front-load washer we've tracked in 10 years. In 2025, an LG front-load washer needs service just 2.7% of the time. That's the lowest for almost any appliance we've tracked over 10 years. But before you buy one, there are a few trade-offs. First, LG is not engineered around mold and mildew prevention the way GE has. They offer a high-temperature tub clean to help eliminate mold, and they don't use Microban in the gasket or an internal drying fan like UltraFresh. So mold prevention is your biggest concern. GE is the better system. If reliability is your top concern, LG is your safest bet. Base model is 4.5 cubic feet with 8 cycles and 8 options. That's more than enough for most households. As you step up, you get notable features like turbo wash, the 30-minute wash cycle, steam, and then dispensing. LG started building out its own service department. It's growing, but it's nowhere as large as GE's national network. So before buying any brand, check local service in your area, because reliability and service availability are both important. So now you know how to choose. GE for mold prevention, Profile adds size, LG for reliability. And if your machine is out, we can deliver and install your new washer same day or next day. And if you want the best top load washers, click this video, and thanks for watching.